Turning to our coronavirus coverage tonight, we're taking a look at some new regulations now in Oregon and Washington aimed at protecting farm workers as harvest season ramps up. Lisa Balick live in North Plains looking into these new protections. Lisa?
Yeah, Jeff, there are changes underway both here in Oregon and in Washington to protect farm workers. But a big question still is, are these changes enough? It's fruit picking and packing time in the Northwest. In Oregon, there are more than 29,000 migrant farm workers coming in from Mexico and other countries, as well as from California and Washington. I checked with the Virginia Garcia Health Center. Their clinics in Washington and Yamhill counties emphasize care to migrant and seasonal farm workers. Their work this summer has changed to focus on containing the spread of COVID-19.
We retooled our whole camp program, migrant camp program, to go weekly to the sites and focus our attention instead of on primary care and urgent care, but focus on the testing.
The cases highlight the need to provide protections. Starting Monday, June 1st, Oregon has new rules: increased field sanitation, employer or state-provided masks and hand sanitizer stations, as well as 6 feet spacing of workers in the field and during breaks, 3 feet apart while traveling in employer vehicles, and masks for passengers and the driver. Oregon is one of just a few states that will also ban the use of top bunks in migrant housing quarters, unless they're family members.
For the unique needs of this industry.
There are new protections just announced in Washington state as well, where there are also COVID outbreaks in food processing plants. The new rules include employers providing masks and other protective equipment to workers, more hand washing stations in fields, and for workers to be spread out in vehicles ferrying them to job sites. But as of now, Washington is still allowing use of bunk beds in camps. But close quarters is a big problem.
They're trying to spread them out, but then they go home to a place where it's really hard to have the right amount of space in between each other. So I think just that setup is the big challenge.
There's also the issue of education. They're reaching out to the camps, trying to explain that if somebody tests negative, as in most of these cases people test negative, they are not immune from getting the virus. Again, an education campaign underway as well. In North Plains, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Lisa.